utang, dalawang spicy beef,
Tapos,
tapos dalawang overload.
dahil mo ng utang dito, kailan mo ito babayaran?
Kung may pera na,
May pera. Dami ng utang dito.
wala pang trabaho eh. Wala mahanap.
Sige, basta bayadan mo daw.
Ako na nga.
Bayadan mo yan, ha?
Oo, sige pa. Thank you ah.
Mang Juan, pabili nga po ng overload. Magkano po ba yan?
10 lang. Yan ba?
Isa lang po.
Ito lang. Ano pa yung bibili mo?
Tsaka po isang Mountain Dew.
Sa mga
Magkano po ba yan?
13. Wait lang, wala ka. Tingnan ko meron. Ano pa bibili mo?
Tsaka po isang red colored paper.
Ito lang? So,
Yan lang po lahat.
Opo.
Tsaka po pala Mang Juan, pwede pong utang na lang po ito lahat.
Utang? Ilang babayadan?
Pwede po sa linggo.
Sige, basta bayadan mo. Lagis tayo dito.
Sige po Mang Juan, salamat po.
Pahinga 10 piso. Pabili nga dalawang snacks tsaka drink.
Anong snacks yung bibili mo?
Dalawa dito.
Sige. Tapos ano ba?
Tapos isang Mountain Dew tsaka Coke mismo.
Sige, dito ka lang meron. Ito.
Uy, Joshua Garcia. Papasabay ka? Pinapabili si Sir eh.
Hindi, pre. Masabay ako.
Sige.
Lugod na to eh.
Pabili nga po.
Ano yun?
Dalawang snacks.
Dalawa. Tapos ano pa yung bibili mo?
Ano? Coke mismo, tapos Mountain Dew.
Wait lang, tingnan lang.
Tapos ano po? Dalawa pong colored paper.
Ano kulay?
Kahit anong kulay.
Ito.
Yan lang po.
Oh.
Magkano po?
44 lahat eh. Diba?
Sige po.
Pera ko ba? Walang pera. Ito na lang.
Snacks and drinks and school supplies.
Pabili nga po, dalawang order mo. Tapos colored paper po.
Anong kulay lang white paper?
Kahit ano. Magkano po?
25 lang.
Ito.
Isa-isa mo.
Ilang items ang karaniwang binibili ng mga estudyante? Pare-pareho ba ang binibili nila o madami nagbabago?
How to solve the mean, variance, and standard deviation.
One morning, 4 students came to the store and their purchase varied. First students bought 1 snacks, 1 drink, and 1 school supplies. Second students bought 2 snacks and 2 drinks. Third students bought 2 snacks, 2 drinks, and 2 school supplies. Fourth students bought 2 snacks and 5 school supplies.
For us to be able to solve the mean, variance, and standard deviation, the first thing that we have to do is get the probability distribution table.
So let's draw the table now. To find the x and px, we will look at the given. We will sum up everything that student 1 has brought and it will be our first x. Then we will also do the same for the remaining student. And to get px, we will sum up the random variables and then we will divide the 4 random variables to the sum. And to get the x times px, we will simply multiply the x and the px. And to get the x squared, we will simply multiply the random variables to itself. And lastly, to get the x squared times px, we will multiply the x squared to px.
Now that we have completed the table, we will now go solve the mean. The formula to the mean is mean equals the summation of x times px. Now we will add 0.45, 0.8, 1.8, and 2.45. Get your calculator, and if you add those, the answer would be 5.5. Now we will get the variance. The solution for the variance is sigma squared equals the summation of x squared times px minus mean squared. And now we will add 1.35 plus 3.2 plus 10.8 and plus 17.15 minus 5.5 squared. And if we solve everything, we will get 32.5 minus 30.25. And then the answer would be sigma squared equals 2.25. Lastly, to get the standard deviation, the solution would be sigma equals square root of sigma squared. And now we will put sigma equal the square root of 2.25. And the answer for standard deviation is 1.5. And with that, we have solved the mean, variance, and standard deviation.
Math is not just numbers on paper. It is a practical tool we use in everyday life. It helps people plan ahead, manage budgets, and make smart decisions based on real-life situations. By understanding data such as buying patterns and the number of items students usually purchase, no one can estimate daily sales, prepare the right amount of stocks, and avoid shortage or waste. Through math, he can better understand his customers' habits and improve his service. This shows that math is essential in real life because it guides people in making wise decisions and solving everyday problems. The moral is that math helps us understand problems, adapt to change, and make smarter choices in our daily lives.